welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a bread recipe for Turkish flatbread. Let's get started. First off, our ingredients. We need 4 cups or 500 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 4 tablespoons melted butter, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 cup or 250 milliliters of water, 2 tablespoons milk, a dash of salt, 2 tablespoons sesame seeds, 2 teaspoons black sesame seeds, which are optional. Start out by activating your yeast. Add yeast to warm water and sugar. Stir to combine. In a separate bowl, combine flour and 2 teaspoons salt. Stir in yeast mixture, melted butter, and egg. When you can't mix it anymore, knead until it forms a soft dough that is no longer sticky. You may need slightly more or less flour. Allow to rise for 45 minutes. Split the dough into 2 pieces. Roll out about 1/4 inch or 1/2 centimeter. Place on lined baking sheet. Allow to rest for 10 minutes. Cut a checkerboard pattern in the dough. Allow to rise another hour. Brush with milk. Sprinkle with a bit of salt and sesame seeds. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. I allowed mine to brown a bit more than is ideal. This flatbread is soft and the perfect complement to a hearty meal. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.